How to remove covered betslip on Telegram. If you are encountering a covered betslip on Telegram where parts of a shared betting slip are obscured by stickers, black boxes, or blurry overlays, it's typically done to conceal sensitive information. While it's important to respect content creators' intentions, if you have legitimate reasons to view the hidden content, here are some methods that have been discussed in the community. Number one step is using AI-based tools. Some users employ AI-powered image editing tools to reconstruct or reveal obscure parts of an image. These tools analyze the surrounding pixels to predict and fill in the hidden areas. However, the accuracy of such methods can vary and they may not always produce clear results. Next step is requesting the original content. If the betslip is essential for your purpose, consider reaching out to the content creator or the group admin and politely requesting the unedited version. They may be willing to share it, especially if you explain your reasons. And that's it. This is how you can remove covered betslip on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.